What is up, you beautiful people? Welcome back to HappilyEverHanks. Today, we are keeping it slightly cringy by answering the top 20 most asked questions by RV newbies. And let's just say, you're not gonna like the answers to all these.
I want to just go right forward. Can I do number one?
Hit it.
Thank you. How do you get mail while RVing?
Super easy. We use a program called Escapees, and basically it's an RV club that offers a mailing service to all RVers out there, and they'll handle all your mail on the road. So they'll receive it, they'll fax it, they'll ship it, they'll discard it if you don't want it. They'll get rid of it. Do I need a generator for my RV? Absolutely not. You don't have to have one. Wait, I need that.
Your RV doesn't have to have a generator to work.
Now, if you want to live off-grid more, then yeah, you probably should get a generator to run that AC, but you don't have to have it.
Would it be nice to have a generator just in case of emergencies? Sure.
Yeah.
But there'll be a lot of stuff you should probably carry in an emergency.
And down the rabbit hole we go.
Ooh, travel trailer or fifth wheel?
Sweet. People are wondering that?
That's a big one.
We lived in both, so we can help you out. You want my say on it? I say fifth wheel is the way to go.
I say fifth wheel's the way to go.
More convenient to full-time RV living. It's more comfortable with a tow. Hangs right over the rear of your truck. Less sway. Listen, there's 400 opinions out there. We're telling you how the Hanks rock it.
We're just giving you our answer, and that's it.
Seasoned RVers right here.
Yeah. Oh.
I think fifth wheel. How do you do laundry?
Well, let me just tell you. We do not have a washer and dryer in our RV. And yeah, you can get a washer and dryer installed in your RV. A lot of them come prepped that way. But we dabble with the laundromats.
That's pretty cool. RV parks all have laundromats in them. And if they don't, guess what? There's laundromats everywhere.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have laundry in the RV, but we accumulate so much in a week or two's time that it's actually faster to just go to a laundromat and like throw all them on at once, and then like you have to wait maybe an hour or two and then you're done.
I feel like the comments are already coming right now. Like they're like, oh, don't you? And it's only gonna get worse as this video goes along. I mean, we're gonna get into some cringy topics.
Yikes.
You wanna keep this train rolling? Or you wanna keep this RV rolling? One of the two. You okay? You got something in your eye? Okay.
How does the refrigerator stay cold while driving?
Oh, sweet. That's a nice one.
The items in your refrigerator will stay cold for like up to 8 hours if you shut off your fridge.
Throw some ice packs in there.
Yeah.
Keep the beer cold.
Have no fear. Your beer is here. Gosh, wow. That was amazing.
Is it easy to travel with pets?
You know what? We should have a guest answer this question.
Oh, we brought a guest on. Great.
Yes. Ah!
What do you have to say for yourself?
Thank you, sir. It is not as easy as the Instagram world may make it seem.
That's cringy.
You get to some of these RV parks and there's a lot of rules, like your dog has to be on a leash at all times, but you can't have them tethered outside, and there's a specific dog run area, and you know, it's just rough.
So what we say is do your research, figure out what's gonna work for you and your fur baby.
Yeah.
Just go for it. It's not gonna be a walk in the park, maybe it will. I don't know. Either way, let us know.
Should I buy an RV in 2021? Woo.
What would the Hanks do? I say go for it. Obviously, everyone's buying RVs and the prices are all jacked up. You're right.
Everyone's buying RVs in 2021, but guess what? 2022 people might also be buying a lot of RVs in the year after, so...
Might get more and more popular, so...
Hey, that's on you.
Will RV parks allow older RVs?
I'm offended.
That depends. Usually cut off is 10 years, I would say.
A lot of people say they don't have an issue, and the people that do have a restriction of 10 years, they'll just ask for a picture.
That's true.
Of your RV, and you, as long as it's in mint condition and it doesn't look like it's gonna fall apart, you should be okay. Is RVing safe? Yeah.
I think so.
The best part about RVing is if you don't feel safe, your home's on wheels, you get out of there.
Trust your gut. Turn off the TV, because you're gonna see every news drama story on there. Get out here, enjoy life to the fullest, stop being afraid of everything.
Yeah.
You're gonna be fine.
Yes.
Where can I get water for my RV? Truck stops, campgrounds, state parks, friends' houses, wherever you want, you know?
You gotta do your research, you know? Don't just go wander around like, water! That might work, actually. I don't know.
We're gonna go with that. That sounds awesome.
How can I make money on the road?
Okay, now it's just getting personal.
Traveling medical professional? Insurance adjuster?
Entrepreneur? ask your job if you could work remotely, because we all know that that's more than capable in today's society.
Yeah.
So that's what's up. I think a lot of people are having that answer and epiphany that, holy mackerel, I don't need to be working at my job. I can work from home.
There's a lot of RV parks too that you can help them at the RV park, like work for them, work camping, kind of same thing.
Yeah.
And they'll let you stay for free, or they'll give you money, or sometimes both. Oh, there's some people that travel and they work at national parks around the country. Like they are seasonal. They'll go to Yellowstone for one season, or they'll go to Yosemite another season.
How do you find RV sites? Everyone's complaining that everything's booked up. You can't find RV sites. Well, let me tell you, we got some answers for you.
Boondockers Welcome, Harvest Hosts. You got some mooch stalking on friends and family's property, which we love.
Free apps, Campendium. You got Wandering Labs you can use as well. All these apps in the description below.
You also got to be a little more flexible, and you might have to drive from your tourist spot that you're hanging out at. So don't fret, there are options out there.
Great.
How far should I plan to drive in one day? We try to do the 3-3-3 rule.
3-3-3.
What is that actually?
3 hours, 300 miles.
And arrive at 3.
At 3 to crack the adult beverages.
Yeah, 300's pretty good, and even less is better.
Nice, nice. What about bad weather? Well, we've been focusing on that a lot lately with the thunderstorms around us and possible tornadoes. We live in the 21st century where everything is digitalized and you can have access to weather forecasts and radar wherever you go. So watch it, and if you don't like it, move.
Guys, just have a plan.
Yeah.
Be ready to go if there's something happening, and check your weather, check the seasons.
That's a good one.
You're gonna be good. Do I need a special license to drive an RV?
Oh. Do you? No. Maybe it's different for all the states out there if you have special considerations in your state and local authority.
Yeah.
But for the most part, no, you don't need a special license to drive an
Did
RV.
we even have any experience towing anything before we took off?
Heck no, Tech, no, we didn't. We just hit the road at 2 a.m. and we drove an hour and stayed at a Boondockers. Well, we stayed at a Walmart site the first night. Okay, let's start getting into the cringy topics now. Because we saved the cringy, juicy ones for the end here. So, should I poop in my RV?
Yeah.
Yes.
Absolutely, you should.
Let her rip.
They're made to handle waste.
Yeah.
Hey, water's your friend, though.
That's awesome.
Yeah, go for it. Enjoy it. It's an experience.
It is. It's a good one. Okay, let's see.
You would be next. This question.
The paper's on fire. It's so hot. The internet's breaking as we read this. Can you tow a fifth wheel with a half-ton truck? What did you say?
Step on it. Step on it.
Most likely, it's gonna be over your weight considerations if you're towing a fifth wheel with a half-ton. Probably not gonna happen. But listen, guys, do your homework.
Oh, you went there.
I did. I went there. And guess what? You'll be surprised what can pull what out there. So,
yeah.
Most likely to answer your question with a half-ton truck? Unlikely. All right, you're up. Cringy topics. What do we got?
This is not cringy.
It's not cringy. Not cringy at all.
How do you get internet in an RV? How?
Well, you got things like hotspots. You can get some satellite internet if you want. They got some new upcoming things like Starlink. That's pretty cool.
And they have mobile internet that runs off cell towers that is permanent in your RV.
Absolutely. We actually touched all of this topic in a previous video as well.
We do.
So
we do.
If you want more information on that, you can check that one out too. We break down everything you need to know about the RV internet.
I'm feeling attacked with this one. Can you RV in the winter? I feel like this is another one of those should you, can you?
It's home.
You can RV in the winter, and we have.
And we hated it. It's not something we would ever really just sign up and be like, yeah, I want to do that again. But definitely we did it.
Yeah, we did it so we could be close to family and friends, and some people need to do it for work-related purposes.
But for the most part, all 4 seasons, yeah, you can rock in an RV if you want. How bad do you want it?
Yeah, how bad do you want it? Hashtag heated blanket.
Nice one.
Oh. Ow.
Okay, I'm getting my papers mixed up here.
Oh, where?
Oh, here we go.
Oh.
Sex in an RV. Absolutely.
If the RV's a rockin', don't come a knockin'.
Yeah, you know what we mean?
And if you guys want some other tips and other things you want to know before you hit the road in your RV, you can check out these videos right here.
I like those ones.
It's been fun as always, guys. We'll see you out there on the road.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.